Hello everyone, welcome back. We are in the bug today. And yes, that panel is open. And yes, I have cassettes. Good old Iron Maiden in the tape deck. Right, the reason why I'm in the car is because of that there, which is the hazard switch. Now, I better turn that heater off. That's for the rear window. Now this is the hazard switch, and it's also the indicator relay. So if I press that button, it flashes a few times. This is weird, it shouldn't be doing that. Why is it working? Okay, let's change that. Let's have a look here. There we go. Push the stalk down. There we go. Nothing. Well, it's kind of trying to. And then that way, kind of. Yeah, it's not working properly at all. Unless you try and hold it, sometimes when you hold it up, sometimes it does work. Let's try that again. There we go. It's failed miserably. It's kind of working, but kind of not. Oh, a very irregular flash. People are thinking, what's going on? I'm in a car park right now. Haha. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone online and I've ordered a new flasher unit. So that's another unboxing. This is rather unusual. I'm going to open the bottom end of the box because the top end's got my details on it. The reason I'm replacing this is because I don't like the fact that my indicators don't work properly. When you see other people driving around and they can't be bothered to use their own in so many different ways. Wow, all that space inside that little box. Oh, not even a little box. Oh, cool. New Beetle spares. Nice. I think I'll keep that. Come on. There we go. New Beetle spares. Nice. Okay, so let's put that on the dash. And let's... this reminds me of unwrapping bits on the bike. I need to try and get this thing open. I'm just hoping it blooming well works. Right, I'll cut back when I've got it open. Alright, so it's unpacked from its plastic, or masking tape, packing tape, whatever. Come on. There we go. Okay, so that's what it looks like. MRO, Germany, loads of numbers. That's the switch. It goes that way. There's the connectors. They only fit one way round. You cannot get this wrong. So what I'm going to do is get that one out and plug this one in. Okay, so we squeeze the top bit down. There's a little tab on the top. Slide it forward, and then I can wiggle the block at the back and try and loosen it so it pops out. It's not the easiest thing. Right, okay, so that one is out. So if we compare the two, one is an MRO, the other one is a PNT. Numbers are basically the same. There's a few things added on. Okay. And stickers on the opposite sides. These could be from a different car. I think it could be from possibly... that one's an MRO. That one is PNT. This is one that was in the car. And I've taken this apart. You have tabs here. You can actually take the thing apart and spray it inside with some lubricants. But it kind of wanted to work, but it wouldn't. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this very well because there's not a massive amount of light in the car. Hang on. Don't know if that's any better. Just turned on the interior light. Right, so let's plug this in. So put it into the casing. Will it go? Yes, there we go. And slide this onto the back. Let's push that there. Is it? Right, so, oh, that sounds promising. Let's turn the ignition off completely. Actually, I don't know. If I've got the keys in, it doesn't matter if it does it or not. Alright, so that's back into the panel now. That's flush. Right, let's, oh, just dropped the cassette case. That's flashing like crazy. Hazards seem to be working nicely. There's a nice click, audible click as well. Let's turn that off. And let's try the indicator stalks. Nothing. Start the engine. Or even just turn the car on. Ah! Yep, that's working. That's working. Okay, let's start the engine. Make sure the gear is in neutral. Yes, my car needs a service. Yes. Okay, let's try this again. Yep, perfectly working nicely. Wonderful. I now have working indicators. That is wonderful. Okay, so next job will be to screw that back in place. The little panel pieces are there, but I don't have the screwdriver with me right now. So I'm going to go home and screw that back together. One job done.